Hi, I'm Dr. Sara Koehl. I'm a pelvic floor physical therapist here at Wave Physical Therapy and Pilates. Today I'm going to show you a self-release technique to use for some of your external pelvic floor muscles. So this is a great technique to use if you feel like you have some pelvic pain, some tension in that area right between the sits bones. A lot of times that can happen to new moms or runners who tend to carry a lot of tension in their pelvic floor muscles. So for this, you're going to use I would use a softer ball. So this is a yoga tune-up ball. A tennis ball would work well for this as well. I would use something a little bit softer and maybe not a lacrosse ball for this right off the bat, because that can be a little too intense. The main thing here is just to make sure that you're staying on the pelvic floor muscles. So you want to find your sits bones and know where those are. The pelvic floor is going to be on the inside of the sit bone. So you're just going to find your sit bone and then let the ball kind of roll on the inside of that. You just want to make sure that you're not on your tailbone. So definitely stay away from your tailbone there. But you're going to find that area there and you just let the ball come on the inside of that sit bone and then just sit there and then breathe. Take those nice big inhales. As you take an inhale, imagine the muscles of the pelvic floor kind of softening right around that ball. And you want to just stay there, I would say, maybe for about a minute and just let those muscles release. I really prefer like a more gentle approach for releasing these muscles. So think sit, breathe, melt with the muscles, and not so much just a rolling back and forth the way you might think you do with a foam roller or something. But again, just stay. The breath is very important because the inhale allows the pelvic floor muscles to relax and go on length. So make sure that you're thinking about the breath and what's happening there too. So give this a try and like us or comment, follow us for more tips and tricks on Wave Physical Therapy and Pilates.